Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set a stop loss on DEX Screener. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up DEX Screener, and then here on the left hand panel, you'll see all your different tokens. So just go ahead and select the token you want to use. For example, let's say Solana, right? You select Solana, and here you'll find other tokens you can go ahead and get using your Solana. So let's say this one right here, RFC, it says retard finder coin. So just go ahead and click on that coin, and then on the right hand panel, you'll actually see all the details. So you can choose either to buy or sell. So let's say you select sell, and then all you need to do is enter the amount of Solana that you like to sell, and then just enter your slippage. So slippage is basically the stop loss. So here it's 5%. Then just go ahead and hit on buy, and it's really that easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.